Hello and welcome to LFA's video on tuning your FACF. On top of your FACF tamping turret you'll find 5 adjustment knobs. These knobs will increase or decrease the weight of your capsules. Each of these knobs is called a station. These stations are numbered 1 to 5 in this order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We suggest marking them for ease. When tuning these stations, it's important they follow a step configuration, with number 1 always being the lowest, 2 higher than 1, 3 higher than 2, 4 higher than 3, and 5 the highest. To increase the weight of your capsule, you turn the knobs clockwise and turn them evenly across all 5 knobs. Tighten the locking nut on each of the adjustment knobs, ensuring they follow the step configuration we mentioned earlier. We then need to add our powder into the hopper. Then turn the machine over by hand to produce a few capsules. We can then weigh our capsules to see what weight they are. If they're too heavy, we can decrease the weight by turning the knobs counterclockwise. To increase the weight, turn the adjustment knobs clockwise. As mentioned previously, they must follow the step configuration, so remember to turn them equally in small increments. Lock them off and then produce some more capsules by rotating the machine by hand, and once again weigh them. Do this until you get the desired weight of your capsule. For more information, products and guides, please visit www.lfacapsulefillers.com.